Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to fix a hunched back. I'll be going over some easy methods that you can use to fix a hunched back. And if you use these methods for about 10 minutes a day, you'll notice that your hunched back will start to straighten out slowly but surely. Now, I myself had very poor posture, but by utilizing these methods, I allowed myself to have a nice, pretty good posture. Is my posture perfect? No. By all means, it is not perfect, but it has definitely improved. And hopefully in 6 months to a year from now, it will be as close to perfect as I can get it. Let's get right into the video. The first method, these are 3 different exercises / stretches. The first method is going to be pulling your shoulders backwards, because believe it or not, your hunched back is likely caused at least partially by having shoulder muscles that are weakened, rear shoulder muscles that are weakened, because your rear shoulder muscles are essentially what pulls your back up like that, okay? So if your rear shoulder muscles are weakened, you're going to sort of be curved forward. So what you want to do is start off without any weight, okay? And you want to essentially take your arms like this and go back like that, okay? And just doing that will activate those rear shoulder muscles, just like that, okay? So spend about 3 minutes or so on this specific exercise, okay? Just do that. You'll feel, I'm telling you, just do this. You're going to be amazed at how something as simple as this will activate those rear shoulder muscles. As you get stronger, what you can do is you can actually get a resistance band and hold it against something like that, or you can even go to the gym and use a certain type of machine to get that motion happening. So that's the first thing. You want to do that for about 3 minutes. The second exercise, which you should do for about another 3 minutes, is going to be with your back against the wall, and it's going to involve moving your arms. So I'm going to try and get my back against the wall while still staying in camera right here. Maybe I should do it right over here. This is probably a bit better. You want to have your back flat against the wall, not pushed out like this, flat against the wall. You want to essentially start off like this and then go up like that. Okay? Down, up. Try and keep your shoulders against the wall. You're going to find that it's a challenge. The more hunched that your back is, the more difficult that it will be to keep your shoulders against the wall and your elbows against the wall and your back against the wall. So really try your hardest to keep everything against the wall. And you know, like I said, about 3 minutes for that exercise as well. That would be more than enough to really activate your overall shoulder muscles, and it's going to be working your core muscles. You really want to be pulling everything back. That's the key here, okay? Now the third exercise, and I recommend this for about 4 minutes because this is probably the most important one, is going to make use of either a foam roller, or I just like to use a yoga mat. A lot of people make a big deal about foam rollers. They're great, but like really anything cylindrical will work. It's simple, okay? You want to take it, you want to put it behind your back, okay? Behind your lower back. You can do this on the floor or against a wall, but essentially you want to take that foam roller or that yoga mat, put it there, okay? And then you want to go back until your head either touches the wall or the floor. So you want to, once again, go back, hold that for a few seconds, okay? Because you might feel a little bit of discomfort, and then release. Go back, hold that for a few seconds, maybe a little bit longer as you build up, and release. Now, when I first started working on my hunched posture, I was only able to do this for like a quick 2 seconds, and then I had to release. Now, I could probably hold it like this for like the full 4 minutes, right? And that's going to do its job at stretching those muscles and that vertebrae to just allow you to have that nice, good posture. Now, like I said, if you have a hunched back or poor posture, you know, it's not something that's going to be able to be corrected in a day or a week. I've been doing this for probably about 8 months or so. Every day, 10 minutes a day. And my posture went from being like something like this, essentially, to like, this is my regular posture. I would like it to get to about that, but, you know, I'm going to work my way there. The more hunched that your back is, the longer that it's going to take. So plan on at least 6 months. But let's face it, it's 10 minutes a day. Okay, it's barely anything. If you really want to correct your hunched back, you'll be willing to dedicate those 10 minutes a day. And that's basically it. In this video, I've shown you how to fix a hunched back. I've gone over some easy methods that you can use. And that's basically it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.